Welcome back to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this cute little bee together. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. First, connect 3 yellow pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Thread a yellow pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread the 2 remaining ends through the center like this. Connect 2 yellow pipe cleaners together. Wrap them around a pen until you reach the end. Thread them over the 2 ends like this. Pull them tight, then adjust the shape. Thread both ends through the center. Twist the ends tightly to secure. Blue-brown pipe cleaner around the body. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Continue attaching it in the position shown in the video. Glue on the plastic eyes. Roll a brown pipe cleaner like this to make the antennae. Carefully singe the pipe cleaner. Make 2 antennae, then glue them in place. Bend a white pipe cleaner to make a wing. Twist it twice to secure. Make the other wing in the same way. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Make 2 wings, then glue them in place. Trim off any excess wire ends. Add a little blush. And our little bee is finished. Give it a try.